Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Italy, a historic villa that combines design and technology. Bureau/D restored a house by incorporating design elements and improving energy efficiency, while preserving its historic charm. This historic villa is located in Poveromo, a town near Forte dei Marmi. The architect carried out careful work, intervening significantly but discreetly, and above all respecting the landscape constraints of this area of Versilia. In this way, he was able to restore and strengthen the architecture. He also installed a heat pump and photovoltaic panels. The result is that this house has practically zero energy consumption.